Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. This will be the last reel of today, but I wanted to share this with you. Tonight we made enchiladas, but not just any enchiladas. These are shrimp enchiladas, creamy shrimp enchiladas. They're made with shrimp, yellow Mexican rice, black beans, corn, can of cream of chicken soup, and a small tub of whipped cream cheese, and plus your seasonings. And then shredded cheese of your choice. This is a mixture of mozzarella and sharp cheddar. They're rolled up in tortillas, and we put green sauce over them before we put the cheese on them. Green mild enchilada sauce. Why shrimp enchiladas, you ask? Well, we're living on a very tight budget, because believe it or not, shrimp is actually cheaper than most cuts of beef. About the only thing that's about the same price as shrimp in the beef department is ground beef. And if you're lucky, you might be able to find a good sale on it. But all other cuts of beef, way more expensive than shrimp here where I live. Anyway, what are you making for Sunday dinner? We've got another pan of this in the oven browning, and then we'll be ready to eat. Happy Sunday!